Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to back up WhatsApp messages. First, open your WhatsApp app on your phone. This method works for both iPhone and Android. Now once you're in WhatsApp, tap on the Settings option. For Android users, you can find Settings by tapping the three dots in the upper right corner. Next, tap on Chats and then select Chat Backup. Here, you'll see information about your last backup. If you want to create a new backup right away, just tap Backup Now. The backup process will start and you'll need to wait until it's finished. You can also adjust your backup settings. Below the backup option, you'll see the Auto Backup feature. You can choose to back up your chats daily, weekly, or monthly, or you can turn it off if you don't want automatic backups. You can also decide whether to include videos in your backup by toggling the option. Just remember, adding videos will make the backup file larger. Once you've set everything the way you like, WhatsApp will back up your messages to the cloud, whether it's Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iPhone. That's how you back up your WhatsApp messages. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.